Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we are looking for a coolant leak on a military Humvee, the 91 Bravo, and I am the Army mechanic. So right now we have the truck running and gas is going through here, so we're able to let it run. We have the heat on. I don't know why this is blinking. All the lights are blinking. This should be off. I'm not sure about the interior lights. So, but we just did a clutch fan on this one, and we just added coolant, and we were told that there was coolant in it, or a coolant leak previously, so we just filled it up with coolant, and right now we're looking for the leak, and I believe they said it was inside the vehicle, so it's the heater port. There's the fan on high, and nothing really looks wet yet. This is more just dark. It looks a little wet right here, but it's not wet to the touch. Just waiting to see if there is a leak. But yeah, some of these are loose. This one feels like it has some resistance in it. It's hot, real hot. This wire looks damaged. Feels damaged. Yep. Whoever crimped this does not know how to crimp. They just crushed it. Now there's resistance in this wire and it's getting real hot. That's how fires start. So time's gone by, waiting for it. Nothing's wet yet. It's sort of dry over here. Looks a little damp over here, but I think that was damp already. Might just put this on top, see if it'll leak onto it. Yeah, I'm gonna tighten up these batteries actually. Right here is loose, and right here is loose. I don't know what I want to do about this. Something has to happen with this, or whatever this is grounded to. This one's fine, main negative. Oh, it is a little loose. Yeah. Might tighten that up a tad. Looks like something was happening with this. Found it, we ended the vehicle. So, it's actually under the passenger side. The video! I'm taking a video! And oil. Something like that. Could be loose. Looks damaged on the front parts. But we'll tighten this up, see what happens. I hope the worm gear isn't messed up. Yeah, let me see. I'm pretty sure this is where you drain the coolant. Yeah, this is a coolant drain on this. But I gotta tighten that up. Where is it? Right here. Gotta tighten this line up. Hopefully the worm gear on the hose clamp isn't bad. So the truck's still running. Got the coolant leak good. Just got to tighten. So we tighten these up, put the front end on. These two, and there's one over there, and one on that side. But we'll tighten that up right now.
This is like a mechanic hat.
Yeah.
Because they're all like yee ass motherfuckers over there. And like this is like the normal, non-faded.
Yeah. Is that your hat?
Yeah, I found it. I found it in the garage.
Oh.
It's fine.
Yeah, leave it. Nice.
So gotta replace this oil filter. Yeah, it looks a little messed up. Could tape it up, use it on a different truck. I guess this drive shaft broke in the middle. Look at all that new hardware and stuff. This is sick. But just replacing that. Only exhaust bolts too. This thing probably had a transmission in it. Did it? Is this new? Yeah, it is. New trans. I need the flathead. Oh. I have like everything on me.
It's coming, okay?
What'd you say?
I said it's coming, okay?
You said it a little bit louder.
It's coming. Are you making a video?
Yeah.
It's been a minute.
It has not been a
Everyone,
minute.
what happened?
No.
We're leaving.
Scott's leaving. I don't know if I'm leaving yet. But do you want?
Don't disclose any information.
Okay.
You already did, didn't you?
We can make a podcast about it.
No,
Why?
I don't want to.
Okay. Damn it. Wait, I'm gonna do this off camera. Crusty toolbox.
Huh?
Some like crusty toolbox.
That's a high speed ass toolbox.
What are you doing? You tightening that?
Yeah.
You got this tightened.
Oh, I cut my hand open.
That's good.
And then the shift linkage, right?
Oh, I don't know how we're gonna get that out.
What do you mean that?
Look. Corbo said he'd do it.
Well, one of the bolts is in the wrong place, I think.
No.
Oh yeah. Oh, because this is on wrong.
What is?
I think this is. Because this is supposed to be up.
What do you mean by that?
I'm pretty sure.
What do you mean by that?
Sergeant Kassoon! Yeah.
I know better. I know you take a video of that.
I want to die.
Why don't you use an extension?
Because I'm built different.
How different?
Imagine, right? Never mind.
Imagine what?
I don't even know what I was gonna say.
If you got Windex in your mouth.
Yeah, and then spit in a girl's mouth if she asks you to.
Or imagine we went to a college and
Someone pissed in the stairwell.
dude, I can't believe someone would do that.
I know, what a fucking scumbag. Absolute fucking pussy. He's probably a fucking animal though if he pissed in someone told him.
Or you go to the bathroom and then
You couldn't hold it.
so cause and effect. It's so loud. I'm getting dirt all over my face.
It's fine.
It's not fine.
Bro, I better rip ass so loud.
Maybe the operators will come down here and help with you. It echoed.
Yo, who's farting, bro? Fuck off. Oh my. Bro, what? How is that not tight? I hope the smell that comes in here.
You're going to defect for dinner?
Yeah. I don't want to be alive. I don't want to be alive.
So I can do the belt. Oh, I was gonna say, I thought you grabbed one. No, wait, there should be a flex head ratcheting wrench in there. That's a 5/8. What are you oh my godding about? Yeah, I need a flex head. Nope, it's a 5/8. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to fit that. I need that to be like right here. Or like right here. Scott, and I need a 1-inch wrench. Okay. I need a 1-inch wrench also. Yes, a 1-inch wrench. Alright, so I'm gonna give him the ratcheting wrench. I'm pretty sure it's a 5/8. And then he can do it from the top. And then I'll turn the truck when he needs it. You get it on like that. It might be a 15 actually. Wait, Scott, it might be a 15.
Brother, what are you talking about?
This. What'd you call me?
Brother, what are you talking about?
Yeah, I think it's a 15.
Can you give me that other one?
Yeah. So. What do you mean? You know how big 15 centimeters is? You know how big 15 centimeters is? The size of what? Hop inside, go some hop up in the fan. You know I'm about to blow. Whoa, whoa, I ain't dumb.
What do you mean by that? You better blow.
Don't ask for ransom. Know that I'm gone. I'm just saying. I don't know how that song goes. I got 2 twin Glocks, turning to a dancer. I got red.
2 thick thoughts when I'm with the gang, yeah.
I got red. I got blue. What
I like
you
my girls
want?
BBW. Tati wanna suck you dry and eat. What's up, son? Tati wanna suck you dry and then eat some lunch with you. Psych, I lied. I don't like fat bitches. You heard me?
Do you have your mountain tab?
Hell yeah, I have 2. Psych, I lied. I only have 1.
Did you get promoted?
Huh?
Prestige?
Yeah, no, I'm just kidding. I only have 1 mountain tab, and I'm only getting 1. I'm not getting 2, because, you know, that'd be a sin.
What about that Glock?
That's not mountain tab. That's like a demotion
From who?
from the sergeant major himself.
These are all old starters. The turbo generators, or alternators, whatever you want to call them. Torque converters, an engine. I think that's the differential. Either differential or transfer case. Transmission. These are all for turn-in. This is the transfer case. I'm just crushing the oil filter from earlier. Bro, what'd you do, bro?
It was Luis.
It was D. Scott.
Luis. Mexican.
Dude, they found out about all the stuff you were doing.
So, what are they gonna do? Take my benefits?
You already have them? Times 2. Do you get extra benefits from being in the Marines?
No.
Oh, there's still stuff in there, bro. My new Marine friend.
What's up?
Is someone looking at you?
Yeah.
Debo came up. What'd you get?
We got food.
Why did they give it to you in that? That was so weird.
Because they know I'm a bad soldier. No, I'm just kidding.